Hello, myself Dia. I am the career counselor of Maxmunus. Today I will go through a few specifics of the TPOT training course now. In this course, we will cover fundamental to advanced levels of training. If you are only concerned with receiving basic or intermediate guidance, it is also possible. We completely customized everyone's training program. Therefore, before giving the training to you, whether you are an individual or a business, we will change the agenda according to your requirements or the demands of your project. Here is the agenda for what the trainer is going to cover in this TPOT training video. Here we have the video's introduction, features and types, how does TPOT work, then course content, certification, the required prerequisites, why one should choose Maxmunus as a trainer, then what jobs are available for TPOT, Maxmunus introduction, advantages of both corporate and individual training, then conclusion, and finally how to contact or sign up with us for the TPOT training session. Next, now let's understand the core of our training. What is called TPOT? Let me read. TPOT, that is Tree-Based Pipeline Optimization Tool, is an automated machine learning tool for Python that uses genetic programming to optimize machine learning pipelines. By automatically analyzing dozens of potential pipelines to determine which is optimal for your data. TPOT automates the most laborious portion of machine learning. When TPOT finds the best pipeline, it gives you the Python code so you can tweak it further. This happens when it has done searching or when you get bored of waiting. Because TPOT is built on top of scikit-learn, users of scikit-learn should be able to recognize all the code that it creates. Now, we have the basic features of TPOT. And the features are simplifying pipeline optimization with TPOT. TPOT streamlines machine learning by using genetic programming to explore potential pipelines automatically. Customization and flexibility. It allows customization of pipeline search space, including pre-processing techniques and hyperparameter ranges. Then next, parallel and distributed processing. TPOT supports parallel and distributed computing for faster optimization. Evaluation and scoring. Evaluation is based on user-defined scoring metrics and cross-validation to prevent overfitting. Interpreting TPOT pipelines. It offers insights into pipeline operations for better interpretability. Automated full-length engineering and selection. TPOT automates feature engineering and selection to enhance performance. Algorithm selection and hyperparameter tuning. The tool explores various algorithms and hyperparameter configurations for optimization. Exporting optimized pipelines. Exporting optimized pipelines for seamless integration into production systems is also possible. Next we have types of TPOT. Generally, there are two types of TPOT. First one, TPOT classifier, and the second one, TPOT regressor. How does TPOT work? TPOT, or tree-based pipeline optimization, uses a structure based on binary decision trees to represent a pipeline model. This includes data preparation, algorithm modeling, hyperparameter settings, and model selection. Let's look into the next slide. We have training material for TPOT. Let's look at it. The instructor has provided you with a list of a few subjects that will be covered as a part of the course material. The themes are listed below for you. Allow me to read. First one we have Introduction to TPOT. Understanding its role in automating machine learning pipeline optimization. And the second one, Genetic Programming. Exploring TPOT's use of evolutionary algorithms to search through potential pipelines. Then third one, Customization Options. Learning to customize search space by specifying techniques, algorithms, and hyperparameters. Then fourth one, parallel and distributed computing. Utilizing TPOT support for parallel and distributed computing to speed up optimization. Next, evaluation metrics. Familiarizing with TPOT's use of evaluation metrics and cross-validation to prevent overfitting. Then last one, interpreting and exporting pipelines. Gaining insights into TPOT, generated pipelines, and exporting optimized code for production systems. The main course materials that I have so far shown you are listed here. What the instructor at this TPOT training session might be expected to do. Moving on to the next, we have certification. TPOT certification. Recognition of proficiency in using TPOT for machine learning pipeline optimization. Hands-on training. Practical experience gained through guided exercise and real-world examples. Assessment. Evaluation of skills and understanding through quizzes, projects, or examinations. Then the final one, accreditation. Official documentation attesting to the completion and competency in TPOT usage. Here are the details of the prerequisites. That is, who are all eligible to this TPOT learning session. Here we have Python proficiency. Strong understanding of Python programming language for using TPOT effectively. Machine learning basics. Familiarity with fundamental concepts of machine learning algorithms and techniques. Data manipulation skills. Ability to pre-process and manipulate data using libraries like Pandas and NumPy. Understanding of model evaluation. Knowledge of evaluation metrics and cross-validation techniques for assessing model performance. Then the final one, computational resources. Access to sufficient computational resources for running TPOT efficiently, especially for larger data sets and complex pipelines. Next slide we have why Maxmunus Trainer. Trainers are certified subject matter experts who can customize training as per requirement. Highly experienced professional trainer having at least 12 to 15 years of relevant experience. Maxmunus has industry expert certified real-time consultant to give proper certification guidance and tips. Next we have job opportunities of TPOT in top countries. There are many job vacancies over the countries like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Dallas, Chicago, and Atlanta. Next, we have the job opportunities in top companies of Accenture, IBM, Infosys, Microsoft, and PwC. What are the job vacancies for TPOT available worldwide? The finest resource, in my view, for finding a job in India is Naukri. Check out the Naukri website. I have already opened it for you guys. I find out there are presently 80,532 open positions in India. Remote we have 3067 and hybrid we have 2542 open positions are there. You can check it in naukri.com. Let's talk about the compensation packages they provide. As you can see, there are several employment opportunities with pay ranging from 6L to 100L and even up to 5 crores and above. The firms that are hiring for TPOT in India are subsequently listed including Accenture. In top positions we have Accenture 18,202 open positions are there. Then IBM, Infosys, Microsoft, PwC, MetLife, Fortis, Qualcomm, TCS, Nokia, Tata Capital, Marriott, etc. Now, if somebody is looking for a job internationally, they can use LinkedIn, which is the ideal site for doing so. As you can see, 1480 open positions are there for TPOT in worldwide. And the companies we have here: Applers, Vertiv Corporation, MyGwork, Keylight Inc., ClickJobs.io, Genesis, DiverseLink, Jortex Solutions, etc. And locations you can refer here. Here we have Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chicago, Dallas, Atlanta, Boston, Pune, Plano, Detroit, Pune, Bangalore, Mulshi, Mumbai, Kochi, and Mysore. Now, let's go back to our main slide. Next we have the overview of Maxmunus. Why should one choose Maxmunus Training Institution? Your 15-year-old corporate training and project consultancy business is Maxmunus Institution. If we must discuss Maxmunus, we are one of the best firms for specialized technology training in India, the USA, UK, Europe, and many regions of the UAE. Customized training to individual is the main USP. One-to-one training can be arranged. More than 1,000 corporate trainings have been successfully completed by Maxmunus in countries including Singapore, Finland, Sweden, Germany, Austria, Israel, and India. Additionally, we have received great reviews and gratitude from our corporate clients all around the world. These are the names of the top clients for whom we have already provided TPOT training in India as well as outside India. Let's look into the next slide. We have what are the corporate training benefits of TPOT from Maxmunus. According to the needs of the company's project, training content can be modified. We do offer TPOT training at the installation and configuration levels. After training session has been successfully completed, employees may begin working on projects right away with the help of Maxmunus Corporate Training Program. Even you get to pick the venue, the training style, and the schedule that works best for you. Every participant will get certificates confirming they completed the course. Next slide we have the individual training benefits of Maxmunus. And the benefits are: customized training to individual is the main USP. Implementation and configuration level of TPOT training. Industry specific subject matter experts trainers for individual projects. TPOT course completion certificate to the candidate. Candidate will get to know the details of the certification exam process. Our key advantages: personalized training for industry specific. The opportunity to choose a trainer and see them in person for a live demonstration before the TPOT instruction begins. Each applicant will quickly learn every aspect of the TPOT certification exam procedure. Then we have conclusion. As we get to the end of today's session, I can state that TPOT streamlines and expedites the laborious and intricate processes of feature engineering, algorithm selection, and hyperparameter tweaking, resulting in enhanced model performance and heightened productivity. TPOT is a potent tool for automating the machine learning workflow because of its capacity to evolve pipelines over generations and intelligently explore a large search field. You can call us on the numbers below. If you have any questions or if you want to sign up for our TPOT training session, please make a note of all the phone numbers. Even on WhatsApp, you may contact us at the listed numbers. You may also send an email to contact@maxmunus.com, which is provided. Furthermore, one may quickly contact us by using the URL provided in the description box. In addition, you may leave a note in our live chat box here, and the appropriate individual will reply right away and answer all of your questions about the training session. So join us as soon as possible for excellent career progression at TPOT. I sincerely hope you will adore and savor the entire TPOT course with Maxmunus. The main duty we have is to guarantee candidate fulfillment. Thank you.